Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to move the audio files in CapCut. Now let's begin. Well, I have already signed in to my CapCut account and created a new project. You can do the same, it's quite easy. Right now, this is what my project looks like and I want to add some music to it. So here's something we can do about it. On the left hand side, that is the navbar. If you scroll down, you will find something like audio. Let's click on it. Now there are lots of audios here, you can search for it from this search bar as well. But for now, I want to select songs from here. Let us just select this and click and drag it to the timeline. But do remember, if you want to add some sound effects, here is the sound effect tab. Click on it and there are lots of sound effects. You can also add your own music to this project. Simply go to media and select upload right here and select from your device, Google Drive, Dropbox or anything. Well, that seems quite easy. But right now, let's focus on to our topic. And here is the audio. I want to drag it to this position. What I can do is simply click and drag. You can click and drag it to any position, that's completely up to you. For instance, you want to split this clip. Let's click on this audio file. And on the snap bar, you will find something like split. You can also do the same using Ctrl B. I'm going to try the Ctrl B method. And there you have it, guys. That's how you move audio clips in CapCut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.